Hi, bonjour. If you're completely new to French, I know how it feels to look at a written word and try to guess how to say it out loud. I know. It honestly feels like people are just skipping half the letters when they speak. Yeah. So today, let's keep it simple. We aren't going to grind through a boring A to Z alphabet chart. Instead, we are just going to look at two things. Number one, how the five main vowels sound, and number two, a straightforward trick called the careful rule that tells you exactly when a letter at the end of a word is silent. By the end of this video, you'll see how those two things click together and you'll be able to read your first few words right here with me. Let's jump right into the vowels. Okay, so French consonants sound mostly like English, right? The real difference is the vowels. So let's learn their five basic sounds. First up is A. It makes a wide open sound like the A in father. A. Repeat after me. A. I'll just highlight to help understand better. Yeah. So A is pronounced as A. Next is E. This is a soft, relaxed sound like the in butter. Repeat after me. Uh. So it is like in butter. Next up is I. In French, I never sounds like the I, the I. No, it doesn't sound like that. It is a bright E sound like in tree. Tree. So it would be like E. Smile and say E. Okay? Next up is O. This sounds exactly like the O in cold. O. Okay? Finally, we have U in French. To make this sound, shape your lips tightly like you're going to whistle or say the word oo, but say e instead. Okay? So we make lips shaped like this, and then instead of saying O, we say E. Okay? Let's give it a try. U, U. Okay? Repeat after me. U, U. Perfect. Okay, let's review all five sounds. Repeat after me. A, A, E, E, E. Smile and say E, O, O. Finally, U, U. Perfect. Excellent. Now we are going to go right into the careful rule. Okay? So, silent letters. In French, if a word ends in a consonant, you usually do not pronounce it. Okay? We spell the capital of France Paris, but we drop the S. We do not pronounce it. Okay? We say Paris, Paris. Okay? Paris. Same in salut, we drop the T. Okay? We drop the T. We say salut, salut. Okay? To know which final consonants are silent and which ones you actually speak, remembering the careful rule initially would immensely help. If a word ends in C, R, F, or L, you pronounce it. Any other final consonant is silent. Okay? I'll repeat. If a word ends in C, R, F, or L, we do pronounce it. Any other final consonant is silent. Let's look at these two examples. First, we have avec. That means with. The C is present in the careful, so we say avec, avec. Okay? Number 2, d'accord, d'accord. That means okay or agreed. It ends in a D, so D is not in here, is it? No. So the D is silent, but R is present in the careful. So we say R. So it would sound like d'accord, d'accord. Okay? Let's move on and do a little exercise together. Apply your vowel sounds and the careful rule. I'll give you 3 seconds for each word. Number 1 is CHAT. So, T, is it in careful? It is not. So we would pronounce it as sh, sh, and then a. Okay? So, sh, sh. T is silent because it is not in careful, right? Number 2 is SAC. Try it. Perfect. C is in careful, so we pronounce it sac, sac. Okay, I'll redo it. I didn't like those writings. Perfect. Sac, sac. That means a bag. And chat means a cat, right? And then number 3, we have CLIMAT. So T, is it in careful? I'll let you try it. Excellent. It would pronounce as climat, climat, like climat. The I is the E sound here, right? And then A is the A sound, right? We pronounce it climat. Download your free one-page pronunciation guide using the link in the description. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Merci et à bientôt.